Okay guys, this next area is what we call the family room. So you've got the living room and you've got a back area or an area that is connected with the kitchen. Usually they call it the great room or the family room. And in this particular room, all of the furniture except for the sofa that you see here it's basically new. The sofa that you see now is, and I'm going to place the picture right here so you guys can see the before goat. This was reupholstered into a nice soft beige fabric, and just reupholstering it alone, it does change the look and it changes the texture and the style of the sofa. So we wanted to place in this particular room, we're working with bright colors, we're working with yellows, we're working with grays, we're working with greens, and it ties in with the chairs that we've actually placed in the kitchen, which is a beautiful emerald green. I can't wait to show you guys that. Well, what set the tone for this particular room is this rug. Take a look at this yellow and gray rug. Absolutely love this rug. This rug, you guys, was repurposed for this space. Now, I love this particular room and the things that we've done because we do have some things that were reused, and that were some of these things, like those candle holders that you see on top of this coffee table. They're over 20 years old, but they still work because it has the black, it has the gold. I've elevated that and placed it on top of a book, and it absolutely is amazing. All of the pillows that you see on top of the sofa, the gold, the green, they tie in very well. The mirror that you see, this black mirror used to be gold, but instead of getting rid of it because the size was perfect, we painted it out and we've placed this particular mirror in the family room on this back wall, and it just takes up the entire wall and it opens up the space. Since this is our vertical area, our vertical point in this room, placing a mirror on this wall opens up the entire space. These two yellow chairs that are just, they're almost like a settee type chair. The client had purchased those chairs and she was actually going to place those chairs outside. I'm like, I think that they would be perfect for the family room. So these two yellow chairs were placed in the family room, and it just rounds out this area with the colors. This entertainment center, guys, it used to be the old, I want to say, cranberry cherry entertainment center, and it was painted out white so that we didn't have to get rid of it, but it made it fresh. And it makes it look really actually brand new. It isn't brand new, it's over 20 years old, but just putting on a fresh coat of paint is amazing. Adding this wall art with the yellow and the orange over the fireplace, it is an oversized piece of wall art, and it just brings in all of the colors together with the gray leather sectional that you see here. In this kitchen, guys, it's your typical kitchen that have your orange tone cabinets and your builder microwave inside of the kitchen cabinets above the stove. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I absolutely hate this look. In California, because that's where I am, some of these homes are $800,000, $900,000, and the builder has the nerve to put a microwave over the stove as though this is an apartment. It kills me every time when I see this. So in design, that's one of the first things that I like to do in the kitchen. I really like to take that out and to elevate that. So we removed the microwave from over the stove and we replaced it with a gorgeous chimney hood vent. Another thing that builders do to save money, guys, is they'll leave the cabinet space above the cabinets. And it's not an aesthetic value, because we're so far removed from putting plants underneath on top of your cabinets. We're far removed from that. They're doing it to save money. And when you think about it, you know, $200 a house and you're building 2,000 houses, you're saving quite a penny. So how I eliminate that is I normally would either paint above the cabinet in accent color, or I would add tile above the cabinet as well. But in this particular job, what I did was I took away the microwave, replaced it with a chimney hood that's gorgeous. The microwave is inside of a cabinet, and we added the glass tile. Love this particular tile. The client went out and selected different tiles, and this is the one that we settled on that she liked, I liked, and I thought that would be timeless. So that is what we did in the kitchen. We painted out the cabinets, added a new backsplash, have new marble countertops. No more do we have the granite. And this is a tip for you guys. If you're buying a new home or you're remodeling, think about not putting granite in. Granite, guys, is what Corian used to be. Some of you guys don't even remember the Corian before the granite, right? Some of you are like, what is she talking about, Corian? That was a material right before granite, and then granite blew it out of the water. Well, quartz is that material that granite used to be. It is going to blow granite out of the water. So if you're thinking about redoing your countertops, countertops are something you keep for 10, 20 years. Look at the quartz material. It's made to look, you can get it to look like a granite. You can get it to look like a marble. It is a man-made material. It's not a natural stone, but the cost is better and it looks better. So the kitchen cabinets were painted out. You save thousands and thousands of dollars, guys, by painting out your kitchen cabinets instead of replacing them. Even refacing them, thousands of dollars, 10 to 15 thousands of dollars is what you're going to save. Sometimes if you were planning on spending $50,000 just on kitchen cabinets, painting them out will save you $30,000 easily if you decide to paint your kitchen cabinets. So adding pulls or kitchen knobs to your cabinet doors will add a different element as well. So that's what we did. Now on the left side of the kitchen sink, you'll see in this particular image, I removed that cabinet that was there previously, and the reason why is because I wanted it to look a little bit more custom. So you can either place shelves here and have it very organic looking, or you can place wall art similar to what I've done here in this particular photo. Is I've added wall art to the space, and it just opens up the space and it adds a different element to that. There is a new kitchen table. Absolutely love this particular kitchen table. It was a gift from one of the client's relatives, and she wanted to know if we could work with it. I said, sure, absolutely, we can work with this particular table. The colors were right. It has the gray in there with the white chairs. It's a picnic style elongated table. So I decided to just bring it in a little bit more, so that glam it up. And so what you see is I have a natural organic plant on top of the table. Then we've got a few candle holders on there, but the white runner is what really brings in the white, and it ties in the white with the kitchen cabinets, and it looks amazing. But what is absolutely spectacular in this space, guys? The lighting. Again, dropping 2 chandeliers over a kitchen eating table. If that's not the wow factor, then I want you guys to leave comments in the comment section as to what else we could have dropped in this kitchen to give it the wow factor. Absolutely love these glass chandelier lamps over the kitchen eating table. When you enter upon the house, it is not really a galley style house, but you can see the kitchen table from the front door if you can take your eyes away from this gorgeous living room in this space. So the kitchen table is something that I wanted to make sure that that area had its own glam, and I believe these light fixtures do it. They fit the bill for glam. The light fixtures in itself are about 36 inches in diameter, and placing 2 over a large 6-foot table is absolutely stunning. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please leave a note or comment in the comment section below. And as usual, make every day a great day.